Hi, everyone. Welcome to Monday Morning Mastery, powered by the Next Academy, building construction leaders for what comes next. I'm Cody Phillips, as always. I hope this finds you ready to attack the day. You want this to be over, right? When can this end? When can life go back to being normal? We've said this a million times to ourselves, not just during the pandemic, but countless times in ordinary, everyday circumstances. Some of you might be saying it right now. Today I'm going to talk to you about loss, something that millions of people have dealt with over the past year. Today, it's personal. Two people passed away recently that meant a great deal to my life. One you know, and one you probably don't. Let me start with the man you probably don't know. His name is Justin Flood. Flood, or Flood Niz, or just Niz, as we called him, was a friend and teammate of mine in college. Justin was a guy that always had a smile on his face, always. We would literally sit in his room at 80 College Avenue on afternoons, playing Tiger Woods golf on PlayStation, and just laugh for hours. I miss those days. I loved him. I loved his resiliency. Life was never easy for him, but he always had a bounce back quality that I admired. When he was down, he was never down for very long. He was a fighter. And when I got the news Monday that he had passed in a horrific car accident over the weekend, my world stopped. His fight was over. As death appears at our doorstep, I'm sure many of you listening would agree, nothing prepares you for the sharp sting of momentous, unexpected news like that. I immediately felt for his family as he leaves behind a fiance, a 1.5-year-old baby girl, Aiko, 2 older children, Dom and Gianna, and a family that's devastated. He left behind friends that loved him, co-workers that adored him. As Ryan Holiday so eloquently wrote, life has a way of stripping all of our reasons bare, of humbling our plans and assumptions. We must live, as Marcus Aurelius said, as if death hangs over us, because it does. We cannot put off until tomorrow, he said, what can be done today, whether that's being good or telling people we love them or going the places we wish to go. No one knows what the future holds. No one knows how much time we have left. Do not delay, do not wish, do not wait. Do it now, while you have time, while there is still a chance. Justin, my brother, was 41. The second man that I want to talk about today was a man I never met, but one that helped shape my adult life, General Colin Powell. Born in New York to Jamaican immigrants, General Powell rose rapidly through the Army to become the youngest and first black chairman of the Joint Chiefs. Charming, eloquent, and skilled at managing, he had a knack for exuding authority while also putting others at ease. Powell's career in the U.S. military is legendary. By the time he retired from the military, he was arguably the most respected and celebrated American in uniform. Leadership is solving problems, Powell once said. The day soldiers stop bringing you their problems is the day you have stopped leading them, end quote. I've tried to weave many of Powell's 13 rules, a collection of ideals that Powell says he collected or made up over the years, into my own leadership style. Powell's 13 rules were first published in Parade magazine on August 13th, 1989. I have learned from most of the people I've met, and I have tried to inspire the people I have led, Powell wrote. Life and leadership can't be about me. They have to be about us. Since then, his 13 rules have been shared with millions of people in many different forms. If you don't know them, pause this, take out a piece of paper, and I encourage you to write them down. Here are Powell's 13 rules. 1, it ain't as bad as you think. It will look better in the morning. 2, get mad, then get over it. 3, avoid having your ego so close to your position that when your position falls, your ego goes with it. 4, it can be done. 5, be careful what you choose, you may get it. 6, don't let adverse facts stand in the way of a good decision. 7, you can't make someone else's choices. You shouldn't let someone else make yours. 8, check small things. 9, share credit. 10, remain calm, be kind. 11, have a vision, be demanding. 12, don't take counsel of your fears or naysayers. And 13, perpetual optimism is a force multiplier. Both of these men very much impacted my life and who I am today, but naturally in very different ways. I learned true leadership from Powell and resiliency from Justin, both now gone, but not forgotten. As you go forth this week, remember the gift of today. I can't help but think of writer Daniel Klein's story as he recalled a formative moment in his upbringing. Klein once said, I remember one long ago evening on an overcrowded train in Philadelphia, hearing a young woman moan to her mother, God, I wish we were there already. Her white-haired mother replied eloquently, darling, never wish away a minute of your life. Life isn't short. We just waste it. We waste it wishing for things to be otherwise. We waste it waiting for it to be over. We waste it by ignoring what's in front of us. We waste it resenting, complaining, rejecting. Only right now matters. The life you're living, that's the only moment that counts. Who you are in this moment, how you treat people, how you treat yourself, that is real legacy. And it's passing you by as you listen and watch this. Now is now. It can never be anything else. Now is your life. Live it, love it. That's all you can do. You won't get anything else. You won't get another moment. Never wish away a minute of your life. It's a gift. Should you choose to accept it, my sincere condolences go out to the family and friends of both of these great men. May you both rest in peace. Thank you all for listening and watching. As always, I hope you found great value in today's episode. Don't be defined by yesterday. Be the best version of you today. Every day is another opportunity to learn and grow. If you're in the construction industry, please visit our website at nextleadershipacademy.org to learn more about the Next Academy, a 12-month unique experience diving into master's level curriculum molded for your industry. You'll learn leadership essentials and change management, leadership development, effective communication, organizational learning, culture, disruptive innovation, VUCA leadership, emerging tech, organizational strategy, negotiations, and much more. We're committed to helping each participant become more a prepared, dynamic leader who can drive their company's sustainability and profitability into the future. If you're in search of personal and professional growth and ready to challenge yourself, sign up today for Next 2022. Our deadline for individual applications is October 31st, so do not wait. To all of you listening and watching, thank you so much for your support of these messages, your support of what we're building at the Next Academy, and your willingness to hit that like button that you see below this post, hit that share button, and pass along this content to coworkers, friends, and family across all of the social media landscape. If I can ever help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help, or more importantly, find you the necessary resources that can help you on your leadership journey in 2021 and beyond. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content like this. Please be safe and smart out there. I look forward to continuing the conversation next week. Until then, attack the day, own your life, and be next.